the future tense. Now the sentences which refer to the actions that will take in place in the future, they refer to the future tense, simple future tense. Actions that we have no control on. My little brother will turn 1 this month. Actions that we believe or will happen in future. I think I will try for admission in this college too. Will try, will turn. Actions that we decide to do at the time of speaking. This sum looks difficult, but I will try hard. Actions that show an offer or promise. I will make you a cup of steaming hot coffee. Actions that ask somebody to do something. Will you share your notes? So these are the instances when we use simple future tense. We have to keep in mind and we have to learn these. And always remember, when we are using future tense, we will use the helping verbs will or shall and first form of the verb in simple future tense. We use future continuous tense to talk about actions that will be going on at some time in the future. Just like present continuous, some actions are going on right now. So those actions which will be going on sometime in the future, we use future continuous tense, and the form will be will plus be plus ing form of the verb. She will be flying to the US tonight. My neighbors will be shifting next month to Mumbai. We use simple present tense to refer to future actions that are already scheduled, as in official schedules. The opera doesn't begin before an hour. We arrive tomorrow late night. We also use present continuous tense to talk about future actions that are already planned or arranged. We are planning to throw a party on Saturday. We use be plus going to, the base form of the verb, to talk about the actions. See, that indicate a plan or intention. He is going to come late today. The children are going to perform on stage tomorrow. That indicate that something is probable or likely to happen. Some probability is there. For example, the sky is overcast. It is going to rain. She never comes to class on time. We are going to complain about her. For example, the weather looks really bad. It is going to rain heavily. The baby has slept quite well. He is going to stay awake for some time now. The train will have reached Kota by this time tomorrow. The film will have begun by the time we will get in the cinema. The future perfect tense is used to denote actions that will be completed by a certain time in the future. Some actions that will be completed in certain time in the future, we use future perfect tense. The form is will plus has or have and third form of the verb. For example, see, there are certain expectations. Use future perfect tense, write a sentence. Mother, she says, I hope you will have eaten your dinner by 8:30. Like this. Sister, I hope you will have won the race in the upcoming competition. Something like that, okay? I will have been living here for 5 years by the end of the month. He will have been ruling the country for 5 years by this July. We use future perfect continuous tense to denote actions which will continue over a period of time that will end in the future. That means those actions which will continue over a given time period, and that time period will end in future. So we use future perfect continuous tense, and the form is will have been ing form or will has been ing form. Okay, all these rules, whichever it is given here, you have to learn, otherwise you will be stuck and you won't know when to use which tense.